Hello guys, how are you guys doing? So it's raining. I thought I would make a video for you guys in this wonderful weather. The weather is quite nice, like it's just started raining, so I went out to walk, but I don't think I could walk anymore because it's raining heavily, like quite dense. This is a good thing. The more rain it gets, the more water we could store, and the more water related problems are solved. Yeah, it's good. I just wanted to make this video to tell you guys that it's day 11 of our journey and we are doing amazing. Yeah, the weather is great. I love rain. I love rain the most. It's one of my favorite weather of all the time. It's present a sense of relief and a sense of washing away, washing away from your own sins, from your own failures, and being born as a new thing. Like all this water gonna go down to earth. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna drink it. We're gonna use it to make ice, to make many bunch of things. So yeah, be like water. Never be at one place all your life. Always transform, always change, always adapt. Okay? And enjoy the weather with me. See you guys tomorrow then. I'm gonna enjoy my weather, my rain. Take care.